Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to generate AI videos in Canva. Now with Canva, you can basically generate AI videos. However, this is only a beta version, so it's only in trial mode. So let me show you how you can do this. So first, go ahead and open up your App Store. Make sure Canva has been updated to the latest version. Once that's done, open the app. In the app, we'll go ahead and create a video. Now from the bottom here, we'll go ahead and just choose a normal video. Now at the bottom, we'll go ahead and swipe left until you see Magic Media, which is right here. Now we'll go ahead and choose the video option, and we'll go ahead and describe 5 words or more to create the video. So I'll put down car, road, travel, sun, holiday. Now if you scroll down, as you scroll down, you'll see this is only experimental new technology, so the scenes with people or animal may not look quite right. So we'll go ahead and tap on generate, and now that will basically use those 5 words and create a video for you. As it says, it should be ready in 1 to 2 minutes. And as you can see, it has created this video. So as we play the video, you can see that there's a car, there's a road, and there's some sun, and it's kind of a holiday theme. Now to use this, go ahead and tap on it, and basically you can download it to your iPhone. So as it reads, this is just experimental, so you need to go ahead and try different methods or different words in order to create the video that you require. So there you go guys, that is how to create an AI video from Canva. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.